Hello people, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a video sounds mobile with the Capcut. So here I already have my project, I also have the video, and I just adding audio on my video. Let's just check it. How to make audio sounds. So basically that is the audio, and I would like to make this audio sounds mobile. The way how to do that, you just need to go click this audio clip right away on this bottom side of the clip of the video, and right after that there will be give you an option about this type of features, but then that's not what we need. So we just need to go click again these voice sections, and then you just need to go click this voice effects. There will be like a lot of sections there here, so you just need to go this retro, and you just need to pick this microphone. Click it. How to make audio sounds mobile. How to make audio sounds mobile. So that is the result. If you want to adjusting the strength level of this effect, you can just go click the voice effects again and drag this point into the specific area or point or value that you want. And then you just have to move this chapter button. So basically that is the way, guys, how to make your audio sounds mobile with the Capcut. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and see you for the next tutorial.